We're now moving on to block 2 for spelling. And when I make the sound, you are going to repeat the sound and point to the letter. We're going to start with eh.
Eh? Right now?
Yep. I hear ah when I tap that letter.
You said eh?
Eh.
Oh.
What letter do you see?
E.
Good. Next letter. Our next sound is eh. Say the sound, then point.
Eh.
Ah.
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 Eh.
Ah.
Ah.
Next sound is k.
So what? K.
What else could it be?
C.
Or.
O. CK.
Good. Next sound g.
G.
Yep.
G. G.
After that, next sound is d.
D. D.
J.
J. J.
P.
You said P.
Mm-hmm.
P. P.
Good. Am.
A. M. M.
All.
A. L. L. R.
Good. Now we're going to spell some words. I'm going to say the word. You're going to repeat it, and then you're going to spell it for me using the cards. These are a review. We're focusing on using your double letters, okay?
Okay.
First word. Poff.
Paw.
Say poff.
Paw. P. O. T. H. Paw.
Those sounds are close, but I want you to listen to me. Poff.
Puff. Oh, puff.
Well, I'm saying a word that's a nonsense word, so that's why you've never seen it before, right? Sometimes it's tricky. So why don't you just spell a word, poff, that looks a little bit like puff, but has a different middle sound.
F.
Good. So what sound do you need to get rid of in your list right now?
O.
Well, we said the O sounded right. We said poff. It looks a little bit like puff.
T. H.
Yeah, so get rid of that. Good. Now what are you going to add at the end? That's a double letter.
That's a F. 2 S.
Good. Say the word.
Puff.
Good. Now spell it as you put it back.
P. O. F. F.
Your next word is tuss.
Tuss. T. Tuss.
Yes, also a nonsense word.
T. S. I mean O. I mean U. S. S.
Notice you're using those double letters well today. Good. Fix it. Spell it. It goes at the bottom, bud. No, that S was right. No, the top one doesn't need to go next to the F.
That's the L.
Okay. Next word. Soul.
Soul.
Yep.
Soul. S. L. L.
Tap the word you just spelled there.
Saul.
Is that the word I asked you to spell?
No.
So what letter do you need to change?
The O.
To what?
U.
Correct. Fix it. Say it.
Soul.
Put it back and spell it.
S. U. L. U.
Next word is Joel.
Joel.
Also a made up word. Joel.
Joel. J. J.
Look at that word. Tap it.
Jaw. Jaw.
So this gull looks like, sounds like salt, right?
Yeah.
So this makes sense. What is this sound?
Oh, God. Basic. J. U. Oop. L. L.
Good. Now we're gonna spell a few words. Fix your L, bud.
Huh?
Fix your L.
Where's my L?
Why is it next to F instead of K? Next word is an easy one because I want you to build some confidence using your welded sounds. Say can.
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 Like a can of Coke. Spell it.
Cam or can?
Like a can of Coke.
Okay. So now.
Okay.
Or I can't screw that in the middle.
So why don't you get rid of the red and the yellow? How did you know that the welded sound needed to travel together?
You say how I know?
Yep.
Because these two letters travels together.
Good. Now let's look at one that looks just like it. Fan.
You said fan?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let me put this back. Fan.
Mm-hmm. Now spell that word as you put it back.
F. A-N.
Good. Next one. Sham.
Sham.
Say sham.
Oh, sham.
Yep.
S-H-A-M.
Good. Tap that for me.
Sham.
Ready? Sh. Am. Sham.
Oh, sham.
Good. Put it back. Last one. Call.
Call. You said call?
Correct.
Yeah.
Tap it.
Oh, call.
Put those back. Pick up a marker of your choice.
Okay. There you go.
We are now doing the high frequency words. Angela, I want you to just pick up a marker. Can you write the word father for me, please?
Father.
Yes. Can you write the word mother?
That's an R.
Okay, can you fix the underlining thing?
It's better?
So, now, look at me. I want you to erase those.
Right now?
Yep.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. The father took his son to the mall. Okay? Wait, don't write it.
Oh.
Let's put the cap on the marker, actually. I want you to practice writing this with me. Close your eyes. Hold a can of spray paint in your hand. Shake it up. What color is it?
Blue.
Blue. All right. This is how you spell father. And I want you to skywrite it, which means write it in the air with me. Make a big, huge F. F.
F.
A.
A.
T.
T.
Make your arm stretch out totally straight.
T.
H.
H.
E.
E.
R.
R.
Now try and spell it
Father?
on your own with your eyes closed. With that blue spray paint, shake it up. It's really important that you keep your eyes closed and you keep the image of it in your head.
I.
Got it?
Yes.
Spell it.
F. A. T H E R.
Good. Now spell it with the marker. Say it at the same time.
You see that?
Good. Now take your hand and erase it with your finger as you say it out loud.
F-A-T-H-E-R.
Good. Come sit back down.